Okay guys, this is going to be the wiring instructions for the home thermostat. We're using the home thermostat for this video, but know that the wiring for the signature as well as the NUHEAT element thermostat is exactly the same. So this is the home. It's a color touchscreen thermostat, and these are the terminal screws for the wiring. Okay, so if you look closely, it specifies the line and the load terminals. So the load terminals are on the outside, so terminals 1 and 4. So that is where the NUHEAT mat is connected to, the two lead wires from the NUHEAT mat. And the center, terminals 2 and 3, is where the line wires go. And it says L1L, so that's for line. So that's usually the black colored wire, or red, I believe, in 240 volt, and the N, L2N, so that's the neutral, so that's the white wire that comes from your house. Okay, so that is the introduction to the base, and we'll cut to the actual wiring.